So order of operation notes. I want you to go through and fill in the blanks with me. Numerical expression. A numerical expression is an expression that contains only, well, what word do you see in numerical? See the word numbers. So only numbers and operations. Not talking about getting your tonsils removed or your appendix taken out. I'm talking about things that you do with numbers. You can add them, you can subtract them, you can multiply them, you can divide them. Evaluate. If you ever see evaluate, that means to find the value of the numerical expression, which means that when you add, subtract, and multiply the numbers, what does it equal? And you even see the word value in the word. Order of operations is a rule for evaluating expressions. So now we're going to go through each of the order of operations. And there are 2 blanks to fill in as we go through. So you all know, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or PEMDAS. So you perform everything in parentheses first. Okay? If you see any parentheses, that's what you should do first. Find the value of numbers with exponents. So after you see they're in parentheses, the next thing you should be looking is to evaluate any exponents. And we worked on exponents Friday. Number 3, multiply or divide left to right, just like we read in English, left to right, whichever comes first. So if the dividing comes first, we do the dividing first. The multiplying comes first, we do multiplying. And then the last, add or subtract left to right, whichever comes first. You don't jump to adding if you see subtracting first. All right, let's do a few. So if you have 15 minus 10 divided by 2, no parentheses, no exponents. Now we look. Is there multiplying or dividing? Yes. Here, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now I'm going to copy the rest of the problem just like it was in the beginning. And now I'm going to do 15 minus 5 is 10. Let's do the next one. Do I see any parentheses? Yes. 21 divided by 7. So I'm going to do this first. I'm going to put the answer right underneath where it is in the problem, and then I'm going to copy everything else from the problem. 9 plus times 5. I'm just bringing it all down. Once I copy it, now I look. There's no exponent. So is there multiplying or dividing? Yes. 3 times 5 is 15. Now we'll write the problem again. 9 plus 15, which is what I got when I multiplied. And when you finish that, you should get you are going to solve A and B on your own. 3 is a word problem. I want you to write a numerical expression to find the amount the Red Back Harp spent on Blu-ray DVDs. Your answers will be checked, and then you can go on to play the games.